So I'm going for a chaplaincy event today, and this is how I look. And it's a gardening event. Let's go and have some fun. This is my way to the university and the chaplaincy street. And this is how the chaplaincy looked. So this is the team of the chaplaincy event. We all participated. We had so much fun. We cleaned the garden, we planted some garlic, some onion, and strawberries, and we took one picture together of the whole team. She was our head. Then we had a lunch, we ate some cupcakes, sandwiches.